your craft store. Cut your mesh 10 inches. Roll up the 2 ends like this. And I got a half a piece of wire. And then I'm going to just take this and twist. And then I'll take the wire and I'll push it in to our foam. And I'm going to work myself all the way around our this frame with the mesh. This is just some leftover mesh. But if you don't want to use mesh, you can also do the same thing with ferns or greenery. But when I went out shopping for greenery, I couldn't find any I liked. And I went to Hobby Lobby and Michael's. I just wasn't pleased with what I found at mine at the time. So I thought, well, I have tons of leftover mesh. So leftover mesh it is. If you have some come up through the top, you can always cut it off. Because all this top is going to be covered up. And if you want to know how many poofs of mesh I'm using, I use 2 at the ends and 4 in the center. 2 on the ends and 4 on the center. That's all you'll need, because I'm going to do a bow in the center of this. And just and I have a few loose poofs, but you know, sometimes you'll have that. So I'm going to just add a little hot glue. Because where this is going, the cemetery is windy as all get out. I mean, it's in the middle of a farm field, and I'm not joking. That's what it used to be. It was a horse pasture where my parents are buried. And actually it's where me and Thad will be buried too. It's the middle of a horse pasture. And I don't see any comments. I apologize. Facebook ain't playing today. Okay, now we're gonna let the hot glue dry, and set that aside. Go on over here. We're going to make us a bow. You pick the ribbon of your choice. I picked this for a certain reason. My dad always drove a turquoise truck. So I found this ribbon. I thought this is perfect for Mom and Dad's grave, since he always drove a turquoise truck. His business colors were, guess what? Turquoise, hot pink, and black. And he had a trucking company because his wife and daughter chose his business colors. And anytime his employees would complain, he'd say, don't complain to me. Talk to the wife. And when they talked to Mom, when they started complaining, she said, well, next time we can always get you a pink shirt. And our next truck can always be pink. That always ended the discussion. Dang, I didn't know it. My fingernail was rough until I started messing with ribbon again. I've been doing a lot of cooking videos. Okay. I think that's good. Don't think I need it that long. Okay, we're going to start with our filler. And I'm going to just put a piece of this filler on all four corners. Well, looks like I'm going to have to get the big guns out. There we go. I don't know why I can't see any comments. starting out with some orange roses. And I'm gonna, oh, this one came out. I'm gonna start over here. Hey, Nancy. Hey, Linda. Well, I'm finally seeing comments. Hooray. If you look at this, I know this one is going kind of to, these are straight across from each other. And these are gonna, this is gonna go to the front. Then the next color is yellow. My mom's favorite roses were orange. Where am I? Weston, Ohio. And if you're from Ohio, you probably will not know where I'm at. It's that big a town. But the town that I'm not too far from hosts the National Tractor Pull Association, so you'll probably know where that is. And that's Bowling Green, Ohio. We also have Bowling Green University, so a lot of people knows that town. I'm out in the middle of the cornfields and bean fields, basically. Oh, you're that. That was my problem. I married this boy. I met him online, and I married this boy, this Polish boy from Toledo. I was from down south. I was from Mount Vernon, Mara County, that area. I was out in the middle of the farm country. So me and my husband I'm a hillbilly my family's from West Virginia originally. And I met a Polish guy and married him. So that's how I ended up here. And still would like to move. People in Weston just aren't very friendly. But these are going down home to Morrow County, to my parents' graves. I'm gonna add, I think I need one right there. These are really simple to do. especially if you use deco mesh, because you don't have to use as many flowers. The biggest thing is try not to push your stems through your ribbon. It don't work out very easy. I've been here. I've been dealing with my doggy has cancer, and I've been on YouTube. I've been doing a lot on YouTube, and I'm running. If you don't follow her and you love to watch somebody that does amazing painters, follow Painting for Profit. I run her YouTube channel. That's where I've been. But here is my casket saddle. When we get out to the grave, you just take these and bend them where they fit over the headstone. Here is my finished product. Aw, I miss you too. I hope you guys are doing good. But there's my finished product. It's very simple. Nice to go live for a change. If you miss my videos, you can catch me dropping 5 videos a week on YouTube.